So fluffy. Clips. To my clothing in. Hello? What is this? Childproof? Tell us. But here she is. I would say the first thing I noticed is that you can't even hear it click. Hear it? You can't even hear it click though. Maybe mine doesn't do it. Ta-da! English. Satisfying. That's not very satisfying. This is what it sounds like here. Do not judge my bed. My cats love this blanket. This is me this far. How far I am here. I can do this outside, but anxiety won't let me. Wow, you're not in my room anymore. Hello. Still using the camera, by the way. I hope that it's getting it. If not, I'm going to cry.